Okay, so it's going to be a short little fun video basically. I thought I'd just show you some goodies that I bought recently. Managed to pick this up on eBay. It says it was used, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's a modern burnt out car. I saw it and I thought, oh, that'd be good for a diorama. But this is after I started doing the Land Rover. So let's just have a quick look at this. So there we go, there's instructions. So I will make a video on that. And there's the resin. It looks really nice. It's got the engine, the top canopy, bonnet, and so on. And it's got some tools, some rigging tools to make the seat and so on. But like I say, I'll make a video on this. In the future, I don't know when. So the next thing I bought was these bottles and cans by OK. There you go, they're all clear sprues. I won't get them out. And this is the first time I've ever got anything from AK, in fact, is model kit wise, paints and stuff, yeah. So there you go, you've got a load of decals, different brand names. And you've got an interesting book on how to repair. Which is very good. I might have to try one of their kits. Quite like the photographers actually. But anyway. This will also be coming in a future video. And then finally, I bought some of these. These actually come from Ukraine. All of them, and they actually come from Ukraine. It's quite good seeing it on the package. Yeah, it comes from Ukraine. So, bought these from an actual war zone. It's quite ironic. But these are just boxes to make up. That's what they are. But what I particularly wanted, got some banana boxes and so on, was these Red Cross boxes. So I want them on the diorama I'm working on at the moment. So what I will do, I will start making these up, but I'll probably use a time lapse just for, yeah, a bit of fun basically, and then I'll show you them all at the end. Oh, well, I've cut them all out, and I've put some together just to show you. There you go. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to glue them all together. I can demonstrate with a few. I'm going to put a few of these red cross ones together because I'm actually using them as a diorama. But a lot of them won't do done up. I have got a little box full of these anyway. Not these, different boxes. Because sometimes on the diorama you want them to be not done up. But I'll just demonstrate putting a few together. I won't do them all on camera. Yeah, so there you go. I've demonstrated a few to put together. I'm going to carry on putting some of these together. Yeah, so basically that brings us to the end of this funny little video. I will continue with these. I might put up some pictures of all these done at the end. Right, so yeah, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye.